recorded this video, but I wanted to pop in and do an intro for it just because I hadn't done that yet. So hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle, and today I'm going to be doing a home decor get ready with me. What am I doing? Home decor get ready with me. So today I'm doing a decorate with me. I'm going to be trying to put up my Christmas decorations, and you guys just have to stay tuned to see how far I'm able to get in the process. I had no idea what direction I wanted to go in, so what you're going to see is just me playing with different items and moving them around, trying to figure out what I want to do with the space. And when I'm done, I will show you the finished product.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
At this point, I had realized that some of the lights weren't working from last year and that I couldn't fix it. I tried to change out the bulbs, but it didn't work. So I decided to head to Home Depot. I'm going to end this video here because though I did make some progress, I wasn't able to finish everything that I was trying to do today. So as you guys saw, I was able to do this. So you guys saw this. And then I was also able to just set up the garland as well as these little mini trees. And I got the Christmas tree up, or the first Christmas tree. I got the first Christmas tree up, but I had to go to Home Depot for the lights, and when I got home I had to cook dinner, so I didn't get to actually install the lights on the tree. So I'll be doing that tomorrow, and now I'm just like super tired. It's 8:30, and I'm just freaking tired. So I'm gonna go chill for the rest of the night, and then I'll come back and do some more tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next video.